If you want to set up the screen time goal on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Once you go to Digital Wellbeing, you should be able to find the screen time goal, and we can easily set up a goal by tapping on Set Goal in here. So let's say we're gonna set it up to 1 hour. There we go, tap on Done. And this screen time goal is now created. You can tap on the goal here in order to adjust it. Well, we can actually set the current time goal. There we go. So we can set it to 20 minutes if you want to. We can set it to 2 hours instead. Let's say 2 hours and 15 minutes. So you can keep adjusting if you want to. You can also tap on any of these, on this tile actually, in order to open this calendar, and you can see how much time you spend on your phone by just tapping on these previous days once the screen time goal is created, of course. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.